Hello everybody, and I hope you're doing well. I'm going to introduce your next vocabulary assignment, and we are going to be using a site called Coggle. So you can see it on the screen. Please go to coggle.it and set up an account. As you can see on the home page, there is a video if you want to watch it. It will help you to get to know Coggle better. I am also going to walk you through it right now. You log in, create an account, or you can log in with Google. You all have a Google because you have Google Classroom. Then you will come to a dashboard that looks like this. Once you get here, you will then just create a diagram. You will get a new diagram that looks like this. We are going to start everybody the same with the properties of materials. If you drag it, you can make it, if you click it and you drag it, you can make it bigger. You can also, by right clicking in the right place, okay, so when you go like this, if you right click, it's going to give you a dashboard. You can change the color, you can add something, you can change the shape. So we're going to start with the properties of metals. Once you have that, we're going to add a branch. You have a branch like this. You can add an image. Let's see if I can find something. You go on Google, you download one. Here's one. You save it. So this is going to give me an image. If I hit enter like that, it will come up. You can label it. Oh, this is where if you right click, see, you can choose the shape. It will go like this. You can add, you can add wood. That's the title. Then how would you describe wood? It is stiff. It is opaque. However many words you can think of to explain that material. Now I have created a little bit more detailed one right here. So again, I've experimented and changed with the colors, but this is what I want you to do. You will add pictures, label whatever you add, and then you need to add the branches by clicking here. How many words from the vocabulary can you use to describe this word? Now I've added things like I've added a loofah. Anything that the loofah and the face shield, like being insoluble or the fact that they are both flexible, those are all linked together by these branches. So I want you to create, if you want to get a good score, you need to use 6 different materials for a perfect score. If you want a good score, then that will be 4, and anything less than 4, you will just get like a 60%. So you need to have 6 different materials with as many words as you can, linking them together. Once you've created your Coggle of 4 to 6 different materials with all the words, you will, you can either download it and send it to me, or you can share it. This is easiest, so I will create a link, or I will create a homework on Google Classroom. Then you can just put the link in there and I will be able to see it. If not, you can download it. We can work from there. But this is what you're going to be doing. And if you have any questions, please let me know.